Once a star ingredient in ice creams and shakes, black currants are now being embraced in many other foods, replacing raisins, dates, and prunes in various baked goods. Tart in taste, these berries have 4 times more vitamin C than oranges and twice the antioxidants of blueberries. Black currants are rich in GLA, gamma-linoleic acid, and contain twice as much potassium as bananas. They also boast anthocyanins, which help combat cardiovascular disease, joint inflammation, eye strain, urinary infections, kidney stones, and cancer. Additionally, these sour berries have excellent anti-aging properties. 1. Cancer. According to a study by researchers from Hungary, Italy, and the USA, black currants are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help prevent and control diseases by stabilizing oxidative imbalances. The study found that black currant skin, which contains an anthocyanin-rich fraction, stops the growth of liver cancer cells. Since the berry is dried with the skin, consuming dried black currants provides these benefits. Additionally, black currant extracts have shown promising anti-cancer effects in breast cancer cells and human endometrial cancer cells. 2. Dietary fiber. Researchers from Hungary, Italy, and the USA found that black currants are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that help control diseases by stabilizing oxidative imbalances. The study showed that black currant skin stops the growth of liver cancer cells. Since the berry is dried with the skin, dried black currants offer these benefits. Additionally, black currant extracts have shown promising anti-cancer effects in breast cancer and human endometrial cancer cells. 3. Bone health. Dried black currants are an incredibly rich source of bone-friendly minerals such as potassium, manganese, and copper. Snacking on dried black currants provides you with the power to lower the risk of bone-related disorders such as joint inflammation, osteoporosis, and arthritis. Manganese supports the production of bone tissue, while potassium is crucial for bone growth, development, and maintenance. Copper, on the other hand, keeps our bones strong. Its deficiency is linked to brittle bones and greater chances of fractures, especially in seniors. 4. Diabetes. The same anthocyanins in dried black currants that help in cancer also help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. According to a study published in Reviews in Endocrine and Metabolic Disorders. Anthocyanins are naturally occurring polyphenolic compounds abundant in dark-colored fruits, vegetables, and grains. Studies suggest that increased consumption of anthocyanins lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes and complications related to the chronic disease, including promotion of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities, improvement of insulin resistance, and lowering of cholesterol along with decreased blood sugar levels. 5. Hydrates your eyes. If you're suffering from dry eye, you may as well give a shot at consuming some dried black currants regularly. According to a clinical trial, those who received a 300 mg daily supplement of GLA, gamma-linoleic acid, noticed significant improvement and experienced relief from the symptoms of dry eye. Black currants are abundant in this variety of omega-6 essential fatty acids.